Everyone, this is Khaldan from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful magnifica DeLongi magnifica espresso machine. It comes to us for a tune-up, and it was like all the lights was flashing because it was like with a lot of coffee, and the sensors was need to be clean, and all the moving parts get lubricated after clean, and replace the gasket in on the generator here, and I replaced the pro unit, this one, after deep clean. Also the steam wand. So let's go ahead and test it and make espresso shot on it. Let me just make it a little bit. And this one, I want to add some beans. Okay, there we go. This is great shot with crema and 3 layers of coffee. So that's perfect. That's the steamer. Let me get the bigger one. So that works perfect. And the hot water. There's still some steam in the system, so if we get it out first, then we start giving the hot water. That works perfect. So the machine functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.